Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this crossbody bag, and these things are absolutely awesome. And this one is like super versatile, so right off the bat you can switch which side that you can put the strap on. So depending on what your preference is. My preference is on this side, just to give you an idea, because what I like to do is I like to put it on this way, and then I have access to the pockets like for whatever I need. And then if I'm going around, moving around, I can sling it to the back, and then it sits nice and comfortable on my back. And then when it comes time that I need something, I can bring it back in front of me, and then I have access to all the pockets. Slides on and off, really super easy. Has a bunch of outside pockets. So this outside pocket is perfect for putting a water bottle in. And it holds like a regular 16-ounce water bottle, nice and secure. Just so you got easy access to that. You have this open air pocket, which you put like a tape measure, some pens, some tools if you wanted quick access to something. Sits out of the way. It has this outside zipper pocket, which is the perfect size to put like your wallet and billfolds or whatever else you have. And then it's got like a bunch of room in here that I can put not only one. That's my writing tablet. But I can put that into that pocket, nice and secure. That fits. And then I can take my regular laptop and I can put that in there as well. And then when I zip the pockets up, it holds everything nice and secure inside there. As long as I have to sit down low enough, there we go. Nice little carry handle. And like I said, I can easily put it on if I don't knock my glasses off. And then I have everything, easy access here, water bottle, external tools if I need them. I have access to my wallet, it's like right here. And then when you're done, out of the way, and you're just going around, riding on your bike or hiking or walking, that's how it sits on your back. Like I said, when you're done, you just grab the handle, put your arm out, and then easily unpack. Let me grab my wallet, because if I forget that in there, forget about it. Okay, so, like I said, storage easily fits my laptop and the accessories, my writing tablet, which is a little bit wider than what most, get that pen back on there, what some laptops are going to be, but that fits in there nice and easy. My tools. Tape measure fits on the outer pocket, and it holds everything nice and secure. And like I said, you got the inner pocket here, you got your laptop with the little Velcro strap on there to hold everything in its place. And that's the back, that's the front. It has a headphone jack, so if you have an iPod or your phone or something you want to put in there, and that will start playing for you. And like I said, it's super adjustable, and when you're all done, you can fold it up and start in your drawer. I've actually even traveled with like suitcase if I have a larger carry-on and I just want something like this to be bop around town or wherever I'm going on vacation. I'll actually pack this in my suitcase, so it takes up a minimal amount of space. But anyway, so that is your crossbody bag. Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.